The question says which branched chain of isomer of hydrocarbon with molecular mass 72 unit mass is there gives only one isomer of mono substituted alkyl halide. Mono substituted alkyl halide means only one halogen is attached. Okay, one halogen and only one product is possible. Also, one isomer of mono substituted alkyl halide, only one product is possible. Okay, means whatever the carbons are there, those all the carbons should be in the same environment. So therefore, only one halogenated, yeah, halogen substituted product will be possible. Okay. And in general, we have learned, when saturated hydrocarbon undergoes halogenation, they produce alkyl halide. Okay, so you can see we have the molecular mass of saturated hydrocarbon 72 unit mass is there, and the general formula for the saturated hydrocarbon we have learned, that is CnH2n, and it is plus 2 is there. Okay, if I know n value, I can determine the somewhat the chemical formula of the hydrocarbon, saturated hydrocarbon, means how many carbons should be there in that chemical formula. It says the molecular mass of that hydrocarbon is 72, so I put H equal to 72 is there. So at least I can see by this expression we can calculate the n value. See, we have Nc is there, n multiplied by atomic weight of carbon is what, 12, and plus, and 2n is there multiplied by 2n is there, and multiplied by we have hydrogen, atomic weight of hydrogen is what, 1, and we got a 2 is there, and is equal to 72 is there. Simplify. Okay, we got 12n plus 2n plus 2 is there, and we got is equal to 72. We have 14n and is equal to 72 minus 2 is equal to, we got 70. Then we got 14n is equal to 70. 14 5 just 70. Then n is equal to 5 is there. Very interesting. So you can see the hydrocarbon which is having molecular mass 72 unit mass. Okay, unit mass. So in that case 5 carbon are present. 5 carbon. From here it is very clear. 5 carbon. So you can see neohexane is there. Neohexane, it is having 6 carbon. I eliminate this option. Eliminated this option because in this case 6 carbon are present. Okay. You can see isohexane is also there. I eliminate this option also. You can see in this case how many carbon are present. Carbon, 6 carbon are present. Keep in mind, when alkane undergoes halogenation, number of carbon atoms same. They do not increase or decrease. Okay. So if the hydrocarbon is having 5 carbon, then a product of 5 carbon will be there. Halogen will be attached, but number of carbon will be same in the final product. Eliminated 2 options. It says tertiary butyl chloride is there. Tertiary butyl. In this case, you can see tertiary butyl. In this case, how many carbon are there? In this case, we have how many carbon? 4 carbon are there. I eliminate this option also. Neopentane, you can see neopentane is there. In this case, how many carbon are there? 5 carbon. We got only one option in which 5 carbon are present. So obviously that option is going to be correct option. You can see it is having 5 carbon. Now we can complete this reaction. You can see neopentane chemical formula we have. Neopentane. This is what we have, neopentane. It is CH3, CH3, it is CH3 and CH3. How many carbon are there? You can see 4 and it is 5. This is quaternary carbon and this carbon does not have any hydrogen. That's why this carbon will not undergo halogenation reaction. Halogenation is possible when it is having hydrogen. And now you can see these all the carbons are in the same environment. You can see each carbon is forming one bond, and but each carbon is also attached to 3 hydrogen. Okay, you can see here also we are getting 4 sigma bond, and 4 sigma bond. Here also we got 4 sigma bond. So you can see these all the carbon are in the same environment. Hence you can see if you halogenate any of the carbon, so only one product will be possible. That's what the question is talking about. Gives only one isomer of monosubstituted alkyl halide, only one product. Okay, if I attach a Cl here, remove, so it will be CH2, Cl is there. Okay, so same product. If I remove hydrogen from here attach Cl, so you can see same nomenclature will also be there because these all the carbon are in the same environment. Keep in mind we have to attach only one Cl, so either you can attach it here or you can attach it here or you can attach here or you can attach here. Only one name of the product be there. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.